Okay, so this is a quick video on the state of the cryptocurrencies. Now, this is just a chart provided by FinViz. It's their copyright, so I'm not taking any credit for it. Let's see. So this is the yearly chart, daily chart, I guess. Yeah, this is the daily chart on Bitcoin versus USD. It's an interesting concept, I suppose, in that the Bitcoin fanatics have always said that this is a fiat. It's going to get rid of everything else, but they compare it to the regular currencies, the USD, Euro, and such. But so I mean, against those currencies, it's sold off very hard. In of itself, Bitcoin is a, if it was a holder of value or a fiat, it would just be trade. It would just be Bitcoin, and we wouldn't care about the price fluctuation. But it's not. It's a speculative investment, and some of the other coins. Now, the Ethereum, it does have some value in the sense that it has some practical uses for it. But some of the other ones, like the Dogecoin and such, it's just strictly Dogecoin is strictly just a speculation. Here's Dogecoin's down 35 cents. It was 70. Ethereum is 2,600. It was over 4. And of course, Bitcoin here at 38, it was 60. So huge sell-offs. Now, on the Bitcoin, because this is, I think, the market leader, when this made this, it made a 5-wave move up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-wave move up. And then it consolidated in here. It actually did make a new high. But it pulled back sharply to under 50 and then bounced. And right in here, I said, this to me looks like it's the backside of the move. And if this breaks down through 50, really the level would have been here around 48, 47, 48. That's the neckline. But I was saying this looks like it's a head and shoulders pattern. If it breaks below 50, actually I said just a couple of days ago, if this breaks below 48, look for it to panic to 46 and lower, maybe to 40. Well, huge sell-off today down to 30. Has bounced back up. It's now 38, 206. Big topping pattern, head and shoulders. Pops. This is your new resistance here, 44, 4,000, and support here at 30,000. So imagine it'll maybe trade in a range here now between 30 and 40. But so this is a big sell-off. I mean, this is cut in half from the highs. So maybe we find support here at this 30 level. And, maybe there's just too much interest worldwide for it to drop any, much further below 30. Maybe it just consolidates in here before it could set up the next pattern to go me up or down. Now, eventually, maybe this does becomes some type of value now, because there's limited supply of Bitcoin, 21 million or so, 22 million, something like that. And I think they've mined 17 or 18 million. So it is getting close to the end. But nobody ever quotes price in Bitcoin. It's too volatile. It's just, and nobody holds this as a source of value or like a hedge, because it's far too volatile. It never goes. But just to reiterate, this is a head and shoulders pattern. It's broken the neckline. It's came down. Now, maybe this is the capitulation trade. Look at the volume in here. This is traded. I'm not sure how to read that, what the scale is for that. Here we are. It's close to 3 million That's the daily volume. So this is, it's up against resistance at the 4,000. If this is a capitulation trade where it spikes down to 30, maybe we get a V bottom right hand extension, then that changes the story. Maybe it goes again. But for now, Bitcoin is done. This is your head and shoulders pattern. It's broke the neckline. It's a very bearish chart. I would look for it to continue. You know, if it doesn't hold this 4,000 or 40,000 or 44,000, then it sells off. Maybe find support at 30. Next level below that is 20. And so all the other Bitcoins will follow this. But for now, Bitcoin's very bearish.